Greetings from Rosenberg Library's Special Collections Department. This week marks the 135th anniversary of the Great Fire of 1885. This was a devastating event in Galveston history, but isn't as well known as the 1900 storm and other disasters. This week we're going to be sharing some highlights from the archival collection with you, including historic photographs and documents related to the fire. And each day we'll unveil a new treasure from our collection with you. Thousands of Galvestonians were left homeless after the 1885 fire, but a relief committee was formed shortly after the fire, and by Sunday, November 15th, 2 days after the fire, local churches were already accepting donations to help those in need. And word of the fire spread through national media. It was covered in newspapers across the country. And this is an image that ran in Harper's Weekly, a popular newspaper during that time. And funds were solicited even through these national media publications. Within the first day after the fire, $40,000 was raised to help those in need. And the recovery began soon after. People started rebuilding their homes. They took shelter in local hotels and businesses until they could get back on their feet and rebuild their homes. But it was an amazing effort by the community.